Welcome to our training on how to grow revenue and sell gift certificates and gift cards. Let's get started. By the end of this training, you'll be able to sell, track, and manage gift certificates and gift cards in-store and online. Let's start with gift certificates. Every Booker account comes with ready-to-sell professionally designed gift certificate templates. These templates can be found in the Marketing tab in the Gift Certificate Templates page. The templates that you'll find that come with the system, they cannot be deleted, but we can disable them to prevent them from being sold, and we'll go over how to do that momentarily. Just a quick tip, anytime you see a list like this in Booker, just know it's only going to show you the first 10 rows as a default. And if there's more rows to see, we can use this drop-down menu at the bottom left of the list to expand it. Did you know you can design your own gift certificates in Booker? We can create and edit our own gift certificate templates here in the Marketing tab. And these templates, they are the designs used for the 8.5 by 11-inch instant gift certificates that are sold internally and online. And these gift certificate templates can be created here in the Gift Certificate Templates page. We'll click Add Gift Certificate Template to start creating one. We can begin by creating a name for the gift certificate. If we want to build off another template we've already created, we can choose that from the drop-down. We'll click Save and Continue to be taken into the Gift Certificate Builder. Here's the basic layout of the gift certificate template. Those fields that we currently see on it, the gift for, from, amount, the certificate number and barcode fields, all of those are required to have on here, and we can't delete them from the template because they help us process the gift certificate once we sell it. So once the gift certificate's purchased, the template's going to auto-populate these fields with the relevant information, which will help us identify the gift certificate and the customer. So that way, when it's redeemed, we can easily redeem it in the system, or we can easily search for it in the system to make sure that it's valid. We can move those fields around if we'd like. Take notice of the image gallery you'll see on the left. We can click and drag any of the images onto the template, but we also can add our own images. When we click Add Image, we will be asked to upload the image from our computer. And this can be any image that you want. Did you happen to have a professional photographer come and snap some shots of your studio? Feel free to add those photos here. Once the image is selected, click Upload. Once the image loads, it will appear in that list of images to use now and at any time in the future as well. And any image that we want to use on the template, we just click, drag, and drop it onto the template. And once it's there, we can resize it and move it around. We can also click and drag any of these optional fields onto the template. And I've added a horizontal separator to this one. You can see that color bar along the bottom of the image. We can change the color of the text or the separators to match our brand colors by using this edit box that we see in the right sidebar. And whatever field we're clicked into on the template itself, that edit box will reflect the options to edit that section. At the top right of the page, we'll see the option to preview. We can make sure everything looks good here. And if the template looks good, we can click Save and Close to complete. Once a template's created, it will be in the list on the Gift Certificate Templates page. And as you'll see, we do have gift certificate templates built for all major holidays and occasions. And a good practice you may consider following is just to disable templates that don't apply to the current season. For example, during the summer, you may not want to have winter templates up for purchase. And you'll notice here with the list of templates, to the right of them, there are a couple columns with check marks in place. And these check marks let us know if these specific gift certificate templates are enabled to be sold. And any gift certificate that has a check mark in the sell location column means that we would be able to choose this template as an option when we sell it in the system internally at the business. Any gift certificate that has a check mark in the Sell Online column can be sold online to customers. It'll show up as an option for them to choose from. To make changes to either of these options, we can click Edit from the Actions column on the right. And we can disable and enable templates and keep the account organized. And for any gift certificate template that we create, we'll also see the option to delete it in the Actions column here. So that's a really easy visual cue for you to know which templates you've created versus the ones that are uploaded into your account. When we edit a gift certificate template, we're able to set this up to be sold internally or online. We can also add images that will be seen when customers purchase the gift certificate online. And it's important to upload the same image that we're using on the gift certificate template that we designed here in this area, so that way customers will know what the image is on that gift certificate without needing to click on each gift certificate option. So we can click on the upload option that we see there next to the thumbnails. And just like we did to upload the image into the template itself, we'll go through the same steps here. We can choose the file from our computer and then click Upload. After uploading the image in both places, we can see them here. And don't forget to set up the template to be sold at the location or online. We can use the check boxes here to enable that. So if those are checked, it means we would be able to sell it at the location internally, and customers would see this as an option to choose from if they purchase this gift certificate online. With any changes we make on any page in Booker, if we see a Save button, we want to click it to make sure we keep our changes. Once we're saved, we're brought back to this page. And if we want to manage the gift certificate images that you've uploaded and used to design a template, click this Manage Gift Certificate Images button here. Once we're on this page, we would be able to delete any images that we no longer use once the gift certificate templates for those images have been deleted. And you can see here one of these images I can delete. I'm no longer using it. Let's look at how to sell gift certificates. We can click on the Orders tab to start a new order. And when we're selling a gift certificate, we can leave it set to a walk-in customer, or we can use the search field to enter in a customer's name. It is recommended to add customers' names into your orders. It is very helpful for tracking purposes, especially for gift certificates and gift cards. From here, we'll click the Gift Certificates button. And here is where we'll set up the gift certificate details. We can enter in the amount, and the next step is optional, but we strongly suggest to enter in the to and from fields, which will make it a lot easier to locate this in the system. And we can enter a message in here too if the customer would like one. I'll say my customer Chantel is purchasing this gift certificate for her sister's birthday. Next, we need to scroll down the order and pick the gift certificate template the customer wants. Now here in the order, you'll see these themes. They'll call the templates themes. And these, the ones that we see here, are based on the ones that we've enabled to sell at location in the Marketing tab. After we check off a theme, we can click Add to Cart down below at the bottom. We won't be able to add the gift certificate to the cart until we pick a theme. Now we have the gift certificate in the order. At this point, I can continue selling items to my customer, but if this is all that they're buying, I can move forward with closing the order. We can select the payment type from here and proceed to close. Now the gift certificate has been successfully sold. So what happens next? Now that the gift certificate's been sold, the system will automatically create a gift certificate number for us. This number will be used to redeem and keep track of the gift certificate in the system. And below that gift certificate number, we find the option to print. And we'll want to use this print option if we do print out gift certificates to hand to customers at the business. Now, a common question that comes in about gift certificates is, can this gift certificate number be changed? The answer is no, it cannot. This is one of the major differences between gift cards and gift certificates. The number for gift certificates is automatically generated by the system, and it's not customizable. Another common question is, does the receipt include the gift certificate? And the answer is no, it does not. When we print or email the receipt, it will show that the gift certificate was purchased as a line item, but it won't actually have the gift certificate itself there. So then you might wonder, well, what if the customer wants the gift certificate electronically? Can we email it to them? And we will be able to do that, and we're going to go over how to do that later on in the training. Next, we'll cover how to sell gift certificates online. Activating gift certificates to be sold online can easily be done in a few steps. We already went over step 1, enabling the templates we want customers to purchase online in the Marketing tab. Then we can go to System Settings into our online booking settings. Just remember, integrated merchant processing is required to sell gift certificates online. From the online booking settings, we want to look for the e-commerce section and click the pencil icon to edit this. We want to select Yes, next to the setting Enable Instant Gift Certificates, and click Save. When customers go to buy online, they'll click the Buy option they'll see at the top right of the online site. And from here, they will see the option to buy gift certificates and possibly series as well if you have both of those enabled to sell online. For gift certificates, customers can choose one of the templates based on the ones we've enabled within the Marketing tab. And these small images we see along the top, those are the thumbnail images we pointed out earlier. Customers can also fill out the details on the right. They can have it printed or emailed immediately after they purchase it as well. Customers will need to sign in or create an account if they don't have one. Once signed in, they will see all the items in the cart and click Continue. Customers will need to enter in their payment info and click Submit Payment. Once the payment's processed, the customer lands on this page where they can print the gift certificate. Whoever the gift certificate is emailed to, it'll show up like this when they receive it. They will click that Retrieve Gift button and will be shown the gift certificate. All right, now we're going to move forward and talk about gift cards. If you're wondering where to buy plastic gift cards, you can find this answer on our Support Center. I recommend everyone checks out our Help Center article on where to buy plastic gift cards. Simply look up gift cards on the Support Center search. On this page, you will learn about bookercards.com, and you can order customized gift cards through there. To begin selling gift cards in Booker, we will start the same way. We'll click on the Orders tab to start a new order. And remember that we can add the customer's information into the order, or we can leave it as a walk-in, but we recommend entering the customer's name. We will then click on Gift Certificates. As we saw earlier, this will automatically land us on the gift certificate setup, but we'll want to click Gift Cards from the top right tab here next to Gift Certificates. Notice this setup looks a little bit different now. We need to do two things here. First, we need to enter in the gift card number. And a common question that we get is, how do I enter gift cards into the Booker system? And the answer to that is right here. Gift cards are entered into the system as we sell them to customers. That's why we need to enter the card number or the code here in this field in order to have the system keep track of it for you. And with gift certificates, we see that the system automatically generates the number. Next, we can enter in an amount. We'll have a few preset options that we can click on, but we can make the value there any amount that we want. And when we're ready, we'll click Add to Cart. The gift card is now placed in the order. Next, we'll proceed to payment to close out. Now that the gift certificate's sold, I might put it in an envelope if there's one for it and hand over the gift card to the customer once it's all packaged up and ready to go. Now let's go over how to take gift certificates and gift cards as payment. Here are the steps to close an order with a gift certificate or a gift card as payment. So once we're in the order, we can click Proceed to Payment. In our Pay With screen of the order, we can select gift certificates at the payment type. It'll be under the Store Credit section at the bottom left here like we see. There will not be a separate process to redeem a gift card from a gift certificate. It works the same for both. Even though it's a different process to sell them, redeeming them works the same. After we click on this button, from here we're going to enter in the gift certificate number or the gift card number in that field, and then we'll click Validate Gift Code. And the system will validate that this gift certificate or card is valid and has a balance. Here we see the total balance due is $75. The payment amount field is how much of the gift certificate balance we're applying towards the balance due of the order. Since there's enough to cover the full amount, I've entered in $75 here, and the remaining balance can be used as a tip. We can click on Complete Order to close out. And we'll be able to see in the payment history that a gift certificate or a gift card was used. When there is a leftover balance, a gift certificate or a gift card will remain as a payment on file for that customer after its first use. Let's continue and learn how to search and manage these gift certificates and gift cards in Booker. To search for gift certificates or gift cards, we can get into our Orders page and into our Gift Certificates Cards page here. To search for gift certificates or gift cards, we can get into our Gift Certificates Cards page that's here within the Orders tab. This is where all of the gift cards and certificates are stored in the system. We can use these filters at the top to narrow down the list of gift certificates we see in the list below, or to search for a specific one. And here in the list below, we will see the name of the customer that originally purchased the gift certificate, the date it was sold, and an expiration date if there is one, along with the original amount. And we'll want to come here to this page to answer customer questions like, how much do I have left on my gift card? We can use this balance column to find out. What if the customer wants to know, how did I use my gift certificate, or when did I use my gift certificate? We can use the history option on the right. By clicking on the history option, we'll get a pop-up window that lets us see when the gift certificate was originally purchased, or the gift card, and we'll also be able to see every time it was used as payment. It will include the order numbers there for us as well. And this is extremely useful in case the customer wants to see proof. We can click on the order number to open up the closed order and show that the gift certificate or card was used as payment. When it comes to reporting, these are the reports we can use for gift certificates and gift cards. The GCN Series Balance Report, the GCN Series Redemption Report, the Liabilities Report, and Sales by Day. In the Accounting Analysis section of the Reports tab, we will find the GCN Series Balance and Redemptions reports along with the Liabilities Report. The GCN Series Balance Report will track all gift card and certificates, as well as series, issued at your location. And you can filter this report by item status for more detailed tracking, by outstanding, redeemed, voided, inactive, and expired. The GCN Series Redemption Report is a good one to use if you are wanting to see only when gift certificates and cards are redeemed in the system. The Liabilities Report will help you track outstanding balances of issued gift cards, certificates, as well as series. And when a gift card or certificate is sold in the system, customers use that prepaid balance as payment for future purchases. And this report is just displaying a running total of these balances as they're changing over time. Now, anytime we see blue writing in a report, It means we can click on it to see more details. And if I click on the full date range drill down, it will allow me to see the value of gift cards, certificates, and series, outstanding, issued, redeemed, overridden, and expired by date. And we can click on those to drill down and see even more details about these. We can use the sales by day report if we want to find our gift certificate or card sales within a given period. Here in this report, we will find that GC column there, which will give us our sales for any given period we run the report for. And to wrap up, or to finish up, we're going to talk about best practices and troubleshooting tips. How do I add a logo to gift certificate templates I create? You can add a logo to the image gallery of the gift certificate builder, so you can drag and drop your logo onto any gift certificate template you design in the future. Step 1 is going into the Marketing tab into the Customize Colors page and going to the Customize Logos section. It'll be at the bottom of this page. There's a few different logos we can upload, but the one we want to upload for this is the gift certificate logo. And just like we've gone through the options to upload images throughout this training, you have the same option from here. You'll upload it, choose the file from your computer, and then save your changes from here. Now once that's done, we will see our logo in our image gallery on the left within the gift certificate builder. It will probably show up at the very bottom of your list of images, so just be aware of that. And to add this logo onto the gift certificate template I'm creating here, I just need to click, drag, and drop the logo onto the design or onto the template. Then I would be able to resize it and place it from here. For the default certificates that come with Booker, the logo will automatically be added to it once you've uploaded the logo into the Marketing tab, Customize Colors. It'll show up in that little square or rectangle area that you have there. What if a customer forgets the gift certificate or card? If customers forget their gift certificates or gift cards, we can find the number for it in the Orders tab so they're still able to redeem it. So once we go to the Orders tab, we'll get into our gift certificates cards page, and we can use the search fields at the top to enter in any info that we have and then search. And once we locate the gift certificate or card, we can copy the number from this column on the left. And then we can paste the number into the payment menu on the order. How do I change a gift card or certificate expiration date? Now, as a default, gift cards are set to expire 5 years from the purchase date, and gift certificates will never expire. But if you would like to change this, please contact our support team, and a support team member will be able to change that for you. How do I issue a refund for store credit? Now, to issue a refund for store credit, which essentially is giving them a gift certificate or card, we can refund the order as normal, and then when we're selecting the option for how we're going to issue the refund, we want to choose the store credit option or the new gift card option. Either of these will issue a virtual gift certificate or store credit, or we can give them a gift card. Your preference. Either way, the customer would be able to use it as payment for future purchases. And when choosing store credit, we'll get the pop-up message after we click refund, and we can click yes to confirm from here. If we choose the new gift card option, we would enter in that gift card number in the field, and then after we click refund, we'll get a similar pop-up message, and we can click yes to confirm. And we can find the new gift certificate or gift card or store credit in the Orders tab here in the Gift Certificates Cards page. And from here, if we wanted to, we could always print out the store credit, or we can email the store credit as well. And just like any gift certificate or gift card that customers can purchase in store and online, these store credit options or the refund options that are store credit and gift certificates will be saved as a form of payment on the customer's profile, so they can automatically apply it to their next order. And for store credit, as I mentioned, it's saved as a form of payment. So when we go to check out that customer and we click on the gift certificates option from the Pay With screen, we'll be able to use it from here. What if the customer asks to have it emailed? If a customer asks for a gift certificate to be emailed or printed again, you always have the options from the Actions column on the right in the Gift Certificates Cards page. How do I process a Visa or Amex gift card? Now, these financially formatted gift cards that come from Visa or American Express should be processed as a credit card, not as a gift card. If you find you have any questions related to Booker, don't forget about our support center. It's available 24/7, and you can click on support from the top right of your account when you're logged in, or you can go to help.booker.com. Here we can use the search field to find answers to our Booker questions. A search will show a list of articles related to the words used in that search field. We also have the Training Center right on the support homepage. That New to Booker section is a collection of articles for our new users to get started with the basics. We have training videos that can be watched on demand, and we also have live virtual trainings that you can sign up for from here. These live virtual trainings are offered Mondays through Fridays and are free and unlimited for you and your staff to take. They cover a variety of Booker topics, and you can come directly here to the Support Center to register. If you have any new hires that need to learn how to use the Booker system, sign them up for these live virtual trainings and let Booker's training team take care of that for you. That is it for this training. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in a future Booker training, and have a great day. Bye-bye.